Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark, and this is Showbiz Remark Miss Universal Star Philippines. I am one of their models, or its models, Marcin Bermodo. Hello, Pit Senor.
Hi!
You say Pit Senor.
Pit Senor!
Okay, speaking of Pit Senor, this is our second time already na kausap kami. Yung first was in November, in
Yes.
Lapu-Lapu. Tapos bumalik kayo just for the Sinulog.
Festival.
Tell us about your experience sa Sinulog.
Actually, it's my first time attending and performing a Sinulog festival. It was actually really fun kasi I saw a lot of children, adults, seniors smile seeing us perform, seeing us smile, seeing us wave our hands to them, everything. I was actually very happy and very excited since yesterday because I couldn't wait to walk there to the parade and make a lot of people smile. So I was really happy that I get to experience this and I'm hoping next year also.
This is your first time.
Yes.
And ang experience nyo talaga is hindi lang kayo sumama or hindi lang kayo nanonood, you actually dance there
Yes.
with the Guadalupe contingent.
Yes.
So, anong experience mo dun sa Guadalupe? Did you also learn their dance steps? Kasi yung Guadalupe is award-winning contingent yan. Lagi yung nananalo every year.
Oh, well, actually, their dance skills are so good. I have a lot of clips in my phone, and I will be posting them in my vlogs. And well, no, I haven't memorized it, but I'm looking forward to memorize it.
Okay, so ano expectation mo, Max, going here? Nung nasa Maynila pa kayo, nung sinabi ng USP, Universal Star Philippines, oh, punta tayong Cebu, magsisinulog tayo, di lang tayo manonood, sasayaw tayo. So anong nasa isip mo papunta dito?
Actually, my expectations came true. As I said before, na I was expecting to see a lot of people smile because of our work, our performance, everything. I was actually really satisfied na my expectations came true.
Okay, so ano sasabihin mo pagbalik mo doon? Pero ikaw ba, are you a dancer or do you love to dance?
Yes,
Talent ba
I am
talaga
a
yan?
dancer and I love to dance. I actually joined a new pickup group. It's called Kid Kids.
Ano pa mga sinasayaw mo? Yung genre?
I do interpretative, a little bit of I forgot what it's called, but it's sort of like that because when I was in elementary, I joined dance competitions in school regions, national, yeah.
So it was easy for you to learn the Sinulog dance. It's one
Yes.
step forward, two steps backward.
Actually, our photographer and me helped to create the choreo for my companions also to the other kids.
Okay, kaya sila pumunta dito, kaya sila nagkisayaw dito sa Cebu is because on January 31, back in Manila, you'll have your own version of Sinulog. Parang fashion show ng Sinulog Festival. No? So yun, do you have the details already about it? It's a fashion show?
Yes,
Okay, so rarampa ka din doon.
yes.
It's just a fashion show. Walang sayaw.
Fashion show po and a dance fashion show.
So, ilan kayong models doon?
I'm not really sure po.
Si Marcin is palagi siyang kasi member talaga siya ng USP. One of the in-house models ng USP, Universal Star Philippines, na na-feature na nato before, sabi ko kanina in November, na USP, i-remind mo kasi na USP is not just about fashion show, it's not just about pageantry, it's not just about sayaw-sayaw, but it's also a charitable organization. And I understand na ang pera ng USP is tinulong doon sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Tino. Kaya parang limited yung nyo dito, pagpunta nyo dito. Ilan lang kayo. Although ang daming models ng Universal Star Philippines, pero ilan lang kayong sumama kasi nga ang pera nyo, ang budget nyo sana for the Sinulog is napunta doon. How is it being a model of USP?
It's actually I'm grateful to be a part of USP because not only that I know that it's for charity. I also know that I can inspire more people in USP.
Okay, so back in Manila, ano na mga gagawin mo doon? In relation sa USP,
In the,
aside dito sa fashion show ng this coming January 31.
there actually is going to be a collaboration of USP and Virgie Couture. It's Tita Mary and my mom collaboration designs.
Your mom is a designer dito. And yes, designer, in-house designer ng USP. Si Mami, anong name ni Mami nga?
Virgie
Virgie. Virgie?
Bermuda.
Yes, si Mami. Siya yung mga nagde-design ng mga sinuot nyo dito sa Cebu nung nag-fashion show kayo noong November.
Well, some of the
Collection.
clothes,
Oo,
some of the
furniture. And ang alam ko, you'll also be traveling to Thailand. Kasama ka ba dyan? Magkakaroon ng show in Thailand?
not in Thailand but in Japan.
Yeah, in Japan. This coming July ba? June.
Yeah, probably.
June. Okay. But let's talk about your studies. How is it?
It's actually really great, and I have an upcoming test this week when we come home from Manila. And I made sure before going to school, I reviewed the lessons, what the teachers taught us. I made a review planning, notes, everything. I was really ready.
You really want to go to school, no? You really love going to
Yes.
school.
Oh, and actually, fun fact, we had a performance class in our TLT, and we picked Cebu, and I'm going to be a Sinulog Queen again, representing Cebu.
Okay, before we end this, Mars, nagpunta din kayo ng Basilica nung Saturday, nung Bispiras. Anong prayer mo doon? Hindi mo first time doon sa Santo Niño?
Uh,
Was it your first time there?
yes, it was my first
Your
time.
first time. So anong pinag-pray mo doon?
I prayed for my loved ones, for the people I know up in heaven, my family members, my friends, everyone that I know that should be blessed or deserving to be blessed.
Yes, dapat talaga mag-pray ka dun sa Santo Niño because ang Santo Niño is very miraculous.
Yeah, when I got there, gumaan po yung pakiramdam.
Yes, and may kanta kami doon. Natutunan mo rin ba yun? Yung Bato Balani sa Gugma. The meaning of Bato Balani sa Gugma, alam mo na ba? The Bato Balani sa Gugma in English, it means magnet of love. Oo. So, the Santo Niño is a symbol of humility. Gusto talaga niya mga bata because Santo Niño is a child. Saan ka nila aabangan or susundan? Yung mga social media, channels.
In YouTube, my name is Marcine Bernice Bermundo, and in Facebook, Marcine Bernice Batalya Bermundo, and of course in TikTok, Marcine Bermundo, and lastly, Instagram, it's Marcine _Bermundo.
Okay, so sa ngayon, fashion show at saka school lang talaga.
Apo.
Wala mo ng beauty pageant.
Also, Kitrix, my P-pop dance. We also do performances,
So sayaw yan.
sing and dance.
Sing and dance. Hindi beauty pageant.
Hindi.
Kasi si Marcin, nanalo ka doon, di ba, abroad? Ano nga ulit yung title?
I won Miss Universe World Kid International 2023 in Vietnam.
Yes, that's it. Pit Senior. Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng Pit Senior? It means sangpit sa Senior. You call on, you pray to the Senior. Santo Niño. That's the meaning of it. Pit Senior. Thank you so much, Max. I hope you had a good time nakipagsinulog sa Cebu.
Oh, but before we end, I want to thank Tita Mary for inviting me here, for letting me walk in the parade, and also Miss Mercury for this wonderful dress.
Yes, the festival costume. Si Tita Mary is the CEO and owner of USP or Universal Star Philippines. Matagal na sila with lisensya. Bye!